Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Sarvesh, and today we are going to learn something about if-else statement. In a regular life example, we can say an if-else statement refers to we are taking here a normal example. Suppose if you have to do a task in 5 minutes, then uh, this task must be done under 5 minutes. If it is not done under that 5 minutes, the task will not be performed. If this statement will be written as a in Python language, then the if statement or if block will contain all the statements which are true, and the else block will contain all the statements which are false. It also consists of a else if state, that if something is done and another thing which we have to do in that particular time or task that can be executed will be written in else if block. So we will take an example of as a we can take an example uh, of a person to be voted in under or above 18 years. Let's take an example. Suppose a child variable is of 18 years of age. We will check if let's take the child to be a 16 years old, and we will check if the child is under 18. We will print he is not eligible to vote. So here we are checking that if a child is under 18, then he is not uh, eligible to vote, which is obviously true that child cannot vote. And the else block will print that else block will print that uh, the person is eligible to vote. Eligible to vote. And we will execute this block of code. He is not eligible to vote. Hence, we have given this child a less than 18 years of age. That's why he is not able to vote. Let's suppose if we change the variable of child to age, we have to do the same changes in the second block of code. And suppose the age this time we will give would be of 45 years. Obviously, we know that a 45 years old guy can obviously vote, and we will find out that if the statement is true, then it will return he is not eligible to vote, and if the statement is false, it will return the person is eligible to vote. And we can clearly see the person is eligible for vote. Uh, and if we take an example of elif block, it gives a secondary condition, and here we will take an example. Like we are seeing that if if the age is below 18, then the person is a child. If else if the age is above 18 and somewhere lies between 18 to 50 or 60, I guess, then it is an adult. and the age above 60 will be uh, equal to older person or elderly in age. So I will be talking about this in the next part. So it is a normal life example, and this is all for this video.